Hi there, my name is Peter Vox. I am the director and principal teacher at Vox Singing Academy, established in 1993. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below. I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly can. And most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. So please check out the links below in the description for more info. Let's get stuck into the next question. The next question is, do I need any experience to start the Ultimate Online Singing Course? Absolutely no, you don't need any experience. You don't need to know any singing knowledge, any music knowledge. You don't need to know. You need to know zip. Anyone can start any language. So anyone can start, children, adults, beginners to professionals. So you don't need any experience. You can be, you don't have to have English as your first language because all the scales are done on a vowel. That's a scale. So it'll all be done on different vowels for different techniques. So you need absolutely no experience. Anyone can do them. They're actually specifically designed, especially the entry-level course is specifically designed for absolute beginners with no experience. Though we do have 4 full courses: entry, intermediate, advanced and professional, and we have 17 custom short courses that start at $14.95. Amazing value because my private in-studio singing lessons in Melbourne are $120 each. Hope that answers your question. Please, if we could help you out with your singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below. But most importantly, be good to each other. Enjoy your singing. Peace and out to the next video. Much love.